have gotten so many queries in my previous videos on how to manifest two desires at the same time and whether it was even possible to manifest multiple desires at the same time. And I am here to answer that yes, it is totally possible, and let me teach you how to do that. Hi you guys, I'm Jyotsna. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to tell you exactly how to manifest, especially when you have multiple desires. Let's be honest, we all have multiple desires, whether it's health, whether it's money, whether it's love, success, etc. We have multiple areas where we want to manifest, and sometimes we even have specific desires which are not limited to just one or two. You could have a specific desire about your ideal dream weight or dream body. You could have another specific desire about getting your dream job. It gets so difficult to focus on just one specific area when we want to have multiple things, because we want to have an amazing body, we want to have an amazing relationship. How do you really do it? How can you manifest multiple desires at the same time? I'm here to teach you one simple method that will literally take you 1 or 2 minutes in a day to do, and this way you can manifest multiple desires at the same time. So let's get started. First step is to list down all the desires that you have. Every time I explain, whether it's robotic affirmations or if I explain scripting to you, I always tell you that you have to first be very specific and clear about what your desires are. So this is also known as the list method, or just manifesting whatever you have in a particular list. So what you're going to do is one by one write down the statement as if like a checklist, like you would be making a checklist in a notebook, or you're just writing down all the tasks that you have to do, like how you write a to-do task in your office, something similar to that, where you just write down all the things that you want to manifest. So an example would be, number one, I want to have a healthy and toned body. The second one would be something like, I want to be married to my soulmate or to my dream partner. The third would be something like, I want to travel to a new country every single year with my best friend. Next one would be something like, I want to gift my parents their dream car, something like that. So these are just examples that I'm giving you. So get very clear, very specific on what are all the things you want to manifest and write it down as a list. Don't limit yourself when you are writing down all of these things. You don't have to focus on 2 specific things or 3 specific things. You can write down every wish that you have, whether it's 20 of them, 30 of them. Just make sure that you know that you truly want them, and it is something that you want to manifest. It is not something you're just writing because your friend told you to write, or you're influenced by a movie or a TV show to write that. Make sure that it is heartfully coming and it's something you genuinely want to manifest this year, and just write it in like a list. Take your time when you're writing this list. You don't have to list out everything in just 5 minutes or 10 minutes. It might even take you 1 hour to do this activity, but make sure that you fully focus on it, visualize exactly what you want, and write that down. Step 2 is the fun and the interesting part. Now you're going to take a different sketch pen, maybe a different colored ink pen, marker, highlighter, anything that you have, and you are going to tick mark each and every statement that you have written down, saying it is done. Like after you write down every sentence, just make sure that you have tick marked it as if it's already done, and then you just put a hyphen after the sentence and write it is done, as if you are tricking your subconscious mind that this is already a reality and this is already done and this wish is fulfilled for you. And make sure that while you are checklisting everything, you're not doing it on a random basis where you're just tick marking quickly and writing it is done. Read out every statement, visualize it for a minute, feel the emotions that you would feel when it's actually happened in your life, then tick mark it, and then write it is done. So again, this activity might take you a couple of minutes, it might even take you an hour if your list is really long, but just make sure that you do visualize whatever you have written down in the statement. If you have to make up a fake scenario in your head, make up a fake scenario. If you want to manifest graduating from your dream college, then visualize getting your grad certificate, going onto the stage, everyone wishing you, saying congratulations to you, like shaking hands with you. Think of that scenario, visualize 1 or 2 scenarios like that, and then tick mark it with that hyphen saying it is done. Step 3 is acting as if your wishes have been fulfilled. So now you are entering the state of the wish fulfilled. So all the things you've written down in your list have manifested automatically. In your 4D, it has all happened. So now, just to make the process fun and to make it believable for your subconscious mind, what you're going to do is write a scenario or a story or a script of all of the things that you've written in your list as if it has manifested. So let's say that one of my like two of the things that I've written down in my list was, one, graduating from my dream college, and the second is getting a full-time position with the company Google. So my script would be something similar to: Dear God, dear universe, thank you so much that I now graduated from my dream college. NYU has been my dream college for the longest time, and I can't even believe I got accepted with full scholarship, and now I have gotten a full-time position with Google. I'm so happy, I'm so lucky, I'm so blessed. I have the best colleagues, and I am enjoying my time here at Google. The view from the office is amazing and it's so beautiful. Just example of it, but basically this is what you're going to write, as if like a story or a script of your life and how exactly it is. So you are now embodying the version of yourself that already has all of these desires and wishes. All the things that you listed down in this list method, it is basically your life now. Like, this is your reality. So that's how your script is going to be. I recommend scripting it in a diary or your journal, but you can also try other methods if you're not someone who loves writing, or you don't necessarily manifest things better with scripting. You try out other methods, like maybe make generic affirmation statements and listen to them in loop overnight. Or you could do something like a visualization meditation, where whatever you want to see your life to be like, or whatever your story or scenario is based on the list of things that you desire, make sure that you narrate it in like an audio recording and then listen to it with some meditation music. As soon as you wake up, you listen to the person you are, or like the version you are. So whatever you write down about yourself, like maybe you write down something like, I have a full-time position with Google and I am now working with Google. We are doing exciting projects together. I'm also getting amazing opportunities to travel every 6 months to a new country. I am in Paris right now. While saying this, just record your voice, your own voice, and then listen to that, so that you know exactly what you want to manifest. You have the clarity, and your subconscious mind gets automatically saturated when you keep doing this every day in the morning. Now, step 4 is, obviously after you've entered the state of the wish fulfilled, embody the version of yourself that already has everything. Now you have to decide that this is the person that you are, that you truly are. Whatever it is, whether it's graduating from the dream college, getting a dream job, marrying your soulmate, whatever this future version of yourself has, or whatever you want to manifest, act as if you are already that version and start embodying that energy. That was it. This is how I love manifesting multiple desires at the same time. I embody the version of myself already having all the desires that I truly want. So robotic affirmations work really well when there's something specific that you want in a hurry, or there's one specific thing that you want to manifest. So you can do robotic affirmations where you just mix in 1 or 2 statements and repeatedly robotically affirm like a parrot or like a robot continuously to get it. But if you have multiple desires, then I do recommend writing everything down, like a story, like a script of your life, as if it's like a movie. Visualize it, use the SATS method, or even just write it in your diary or a journal as if this is the version that you are currently, and this is what your life looks like. Because this is so easy, it takes you just 10 or 15 minutes of your time, and if you are planning to do it like a visualization recording in the morning, then it probably takes just 5 minutes. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope this gave you insights on how you can manifest multiple desires at the same time. I will see you guys in my next video. Lots of love. Bye.